Hey everyone, this is Sean. So today we are launching AutoManus AI agent for businesses who are selling customized goods, ranging from cabinets, solar panels, EV cars, to module-based softwares. So a lot of businesses we're speaking with are either qualifying their customers through WhatsApp, SMS, or emails. Many of these businesses are talking to 20 to 50 customers at the same time. And maybe like 20% of them would actually convert into a final conversation and then turn into actual leads. So a lot of time are wasted on qualifying the customer and eventually manually typing things into CRMs. So we're going to change that. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how a consumer would interact with AutoManus WhatsApp agent. And then eventually we will configure the agent and then turn it into a structured leads. Let's get started. So essentially, as you can see that firstly, we ask this question. I say, hi, hey, this is Sean, how are you? And you say that this is the AutoManus AI receptionist. So on the right-hand side, you might be wondering what's going on here. This is an agent that we trained for this specific business, and it's called EV Dubai Ltd, okay? So essentially, this is a customized page where you can do some multiple choice questions, and then you can talk about like what restricted topics there could be. What you need to do is that you need to tell it, okay, what kind of products are you selling, right? For example, this EV brand is selling BYD Seal 2025 and then Tesla Model Y with their own price. And then you can just quickly test it here and be like, do you have BYD models? And the simulator will be syncing exactly what you have uploaded to your knowledge base, as well as the things that you have updated on the main behavior guidance training page. All right, so now you say that BYD Seals has $42,000 USD, okay? You can also modify the formality and do you want it to be calm or more passionate? Eventually, you just gotta click on deploy. And eventually, if you come back to overview, you can see that there's an agent currently being deployed under this AI agent hub. We're using the shared number +1 650 605 6956 for AutoManus. If I just ask it questions and be like, okay, do you have a BYD model for an EV? I want to buy one. Right now, AutoManus doesn't know who you are and who you're looking for, right? And then after you show the intent, it's kind of sort of processing and then search across the entire business's network that has been connected with AutoManus. And it found out that, oh, there's a one called EV Dubai Ltd, right? And as a user, if I click on it, what it does is that it's going to trigger this agent for me. If I want to exit anytime, I just type exit anytime. In our knowledge base, we have these products here. So I'm just going to ask it, can I buy the BYD Seal car? Do you have a model and what is the price? So as a business, you might have these kind of questions maybe 1,000 times every week, right? And then what you don't want to do is that you don't want to answer all the questions again and again. And maybe you want to configure your own way to answer these questions, which is all doable in this behavioral guidance page, all right? And now it has told me that, okay, the BYD Seal is available, which is $42,000, exactly what we put in the knowledge base. And what we need to do is that, yes, my budget is 50K. Let's get the BYD Seal model for 52K. I'm just being like dumb and answering things very thoroughly here. And while this is being communicated, as a business, you can also come back to leads on the left-hand side. And you can see that there's a lead pending in the review, okay? And if you tap on it, you can see that Sean Chen just had a recent journal with WhatsApp with us, okay? If I click on view all, you can see that the entire conversation is here, all right? So as a business, I could approve this as a lead and then let my sales rep to pick it up, or I could just cancel it out, right? So today I'm gonna approve it. So if I click on approve, and after you approved it, it's gonna land in the in progress lead. Okay, so you can just always come back and check that this lead is active. Then what if somebody has followed up and they say, I also want to buy a Tesla Model Y and I can double my budget. What you will be able to see is that there's an additional appending review for this new chat that just happened, okay? If I just say approve, again, and you can see that the new conversation has been merged to the existing deal with Sean Chen, all right? And if I come back to in progress, expand it, you can see that there are two conversations at the same time for the same customers. And I could also just click on extract to-dos. And after that, if you cross it out, you can see that there are a bunch of to-dos here related to the conversations that the consumers had with the business. And it's just super convenient for you to handle, say, multiple conversations at the same time, okay? And then you might be wondering, okay, we're using this shared WhatsApp number. What if there's another company? What if my business want to sell something different? This account is basically selling cabinets, all right? And this agent is basically selling cabinets by a different company. All right, and if we click into edit, you can see that there's a cabinet hero agent over here. As a consumer, I could come back here and I say exit, and then AutoManus will tell me, got it, you've been disconnected from EV Dubai Ltd. What business do you want to speak with today? Just tell me your company name. We can just let the consumer to talk to WhatsApp with your business name. Or as a consumer myself, I might be just wondering, okay, I want to upgrade my kitchen with a very vague intent. And the agent that's talking to us right now is the AI receptionist from AutoManus. And it said, okay, the kitchen upgrade really transformed your space. Are you looking to replace cabinets or do you want specific areas? It doesn't tell me exactly what business yet because it wants to collect more intents from the consumer. And I could say, okay, I want a new cabinet. Do you know any business selling it? I might need to scroll down for this chat every single time. And now you reply that, okay, we have this company called Queenswood, right? There we go. Queenswood is right here. If I click on Queenswood, it sends this message back to AutoManus AI agent. And again, we're connected to Queenswood agent right here, right? So I just say, do you have any discounts? And if I come back to knowledge base, I have already uploaded a 20% off discount for this green Slim Shaker cabinets. And you can see that immediately knows the context that the 20% off is for this specific product. And I'll just say, I want this, okay? Click on send. Meanwhile, if I come back to leads, I click on pending review, you can see that there's a new conversation here. If I expand it, I also have a WhatsApp conversation just like before. Similarly, I could approve it from a different business, right? Once that business has approved it, it has nothing to do with the other business. So we're sharing the same number over here that allows any consumer to, if they want to buy certain things, they just literally explain what they want to our AutoManus WhatsApp agent. Eventually, if the agent that you deployed is connected to it, the conversation will land in your leads, in the pending review, okay? And after you approve it, if you have clearly explained what product you want, then it's also going to capture the product that the consumer was interested in. So the way to set it up is actually really simple. You just come to the landing page of AutoManus.io, and then you can either try it by clicking on the chat with us down at the button here and start conversation, open WhatsApp, and then just send the message. It will be able to trigger the conversation. Or you can come back here and click on start free trial. We're providing a 30-day free trial for the starter package for $20 per month. If you click on it, and we're already subscribed, so after you subscribe, by the way, it's completely free for 30 days. You can cancel at any time if you want in the settings. Two last things. If you're interested in setting up your own AI agent, you can also click on connect your own WhatsApp and then connect your WhatsApp over here. All you gotta do is just put in your access token, phone number ID, and business account ID, and you'll be able to set up AI agent for your own. Let me know if this is helpful. If you're a business who are selling customized goods, either physical ones or softwares at scale, we're very happy to talk to you. And just email us at hello@automanus.io. Thanks for your attention. I appreciate this, and see you next time. Cheers.